Hi, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use one-handed mode on your iPhone 17 Pro. So your iPhone 17 Pro has a feature that makes using it with your one hand much more easier. It's called Reachability, also known as one-handed mode. And so to turn it on, you have to go to Settings and then find section Accessibility and find Touch, and here you will see an option Reachability, so it should be switched on. And once it's active, you can bring the top of your screen down by swiping down on the bottom edge of your display like this. So it's very simple to do, like this. So basically this helps you reach applications, buttons, or I don't know, some kind of notifications without stretching your fingers, let's say like this. So this option is very suitable for you if your iPhone is too big for your hand. So this works like this. So as you can see, I cannot just reach the top of my phone, and if I select this option, I can do that very easily. And also the one-handed mode is also working for your keyboard. So let's open keyboard on my Notes app, and you have to tap this globe icon, or also you can have emoji icon, and then you have to pick either left-handed mode or right-handed mode. So I'm right-handed, I will pick this one, and this basically shifts your keyboard to one side, so it's easier to type with just one thumb, just like this. And to turn it to normal, you have to tap this arrow icon right here. So it's very simple, but it's very effective and useful. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.